Hey guys, welcome to ModBargains. Today we're going to be installing the G82 M4 exhaust from Remus on this mint green M4. Very, very unique. I am excited. Let's just run over to the shop. So today we're in the shop and we get to install the brand new G82 M4 BMW exhaust by Remus. Now this is the full race exhaust, the full campback exhaust. We're going to be putting on this nice carbon fiber tip on it, which I'm very excited. I'm just super excited to hear how it comes out. I love the way it looks amazing. And we've got it on a very special color, a mint green M4 here today. And I just can't wait to hear it. So let's finish up this install and listen to it. So the exhaust just got put on and it looks amazing. I really love the way the Remus fits the diffuser perfectly. One thing you'll notice is this is the new Remus logo. It's the new R logo. The old one had that wolf logo. I think it looks good. I think it really, you recognize it. Yes, we recognize the wolf, but now we've also got the R, the Remus R on there. It looks great. Now I can't wait to hear it. Let's go for a drive. Okay, so we are in the car and I am excited because this is a brand new M4. We have the exhaust valve completely open. We are in performance mode and it just sounds so raw, so nice. The word is aggressive, but wow, it just sounds so good. It's a lot deeper than the stock exhaust, and I think you can feel that with it being open. Interior cabin wise, especially when you have the valve closed, it's really a non-issue. Easy to have a conversation. I can hear myself think, which is very important. But right now we're just driving on the road, so just normal roadway. I'm going to turn off the valve real quick here. And again, now it's just the volume has just dropped considerably. Not like crazy amount, but I mean a good amount, and it's very, very nice. We've driven these before. They're always very fun. But the exhaust it's the way it's supposed to be. You know what I mean? It's a BMW. It should be sporty. It goes with their motto, the ultimate driving machine, and you want to be able to feel the road, hear it, have the response, and that's what an exhaust does. And it's funny, I've talked to BMW track instructors and stuff like that, and their main complaint has been the exhaust, because especially when you put on the helmet, you can't even hear when it's time to shift. So having a nice exhaust, one that you can actually feel or hear it just makes those shift points that much better, especially when you become in tune with the vehicle. And this is that raw emotion, that feeling of what you want to have. And I think Remus really did a great job so far. So We'll give you guys some more videos of drive-bys and so forth. So right now we're going into the canyon area where we like to do a lot of the spirited type of driving and filming. One thing is, I really don't think we really need to cover a closed valve, because honestly I want to hear this exhaust. Obviously the closed valve makes it quieter, okay, it's nice and so forth, but we want to hear it fully open, and that's what I think it's going to be really nice. One thing I do want to mention is I really like how subtle the burble is on it. It's very like, you feel it. It's this little tiny burble, and it's not like this annoying burble, which is something that just continuously pops and it's just weird and random. It just feels very consistent, which is nice. So, but let's have some fun. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the launches and so forth, but I wanted to kind of wrap it all up and really describe it. Yes, it's aggressive and so forth, but the one word I really think of, and that feeling that you get, and this is what this exhaust is really doing, and I, you know, besides putting a smile on my face, it's violent. You know that sound that you hear from a lion? If you've ever been nearby a lion that actually roars, or you've ever heard it in full volume, you know it's gonna, that lion can do some major violence. The same happens with this exhaust. There's a violence there, and man, this is what cars are about. This is what puts a smile on your face, and this is the way the M4 should be. So a big thumbs up for me. I really do enjoy this exhaust, and wow, what a better vehicle this just became, thanks to an exhaust. So yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this content. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It always helps us out. And I will see you on the next episode on ModBargains.